My name is Lily. I started using the body milk like about 3 weeks ago. I have like very sensitive skin, and it's been working very well on my skin. My skin is softer. I really love it. I love the smell. It feels good in my skin. This is the body milk that I've been using. And also for my face, I've been using the day cream. I put it every day in the morning after I wash my face, and then I put a sunscreen, and I see the changes in my skin a lot. So it's very good. And also I have my boss, that she has a very delicate skin, and she's getting great results with it, both the body cream, the body milk, and the day cream.
Yes. Ça, c'est ce que j'ai connu de mieux depuis que j'utilise des crèmes.
That is the best cream that she ever used since she's been using creams.
Parce que j'ai une peau qui est qui est à base d'eczéma, qui est très sensible, et c'est l'unique crème que je connais au jour d'aujourd'hui qui a résolu mes problèmes.
She has a very sensitive skin with eczema, and this is the only cream so far that works for her very well.
Et en ce qui concerne la crème de jour, pour moi, it's the best. It's very best. My skin, it's very good now. Avant, c'était plein Avant, j'avais plein d'allergies dues à des produits, dues à un soin que j'ai effectué dans un spa. Et aujourd'hui, j'ai utilisé ça m'a calmée et ça nourrit ma peau. Et c'est vraiment top.
She had a facial like a few weeks ago, and she had a reaction, and then after she started using the face cream, all the problems have been resolved. She has also rest pad, and it's gone. She feels like her skin is much better every day with the day cream.
Et ma sœur est très contente de ces produits. Elle me l'a dit aujourd'hui, qui vit en France. Et elle a utilisé ça, sa fille fait du psoriasisme, et elle fait aussi de l'eczéma, et franchement, c'est le top. Elle adore l'odeur, elle adore la crème, et sa peau est beaucoup mieux.
She has her sister who lives in France. She started using this, and her niece too, that she has psoriasis, and her skin is really improving. She loves the smell, how it feels in the skin.
Et en 2 semaines, en 2 semaines, on commence à avoir des résultats, vraiment des résultats qui se voient. Et cette crème-là, pour le corps, c'est immédiat.
The body milk give you like a immediate result from the day you start using it. And for the day cream, in 2 weeks you start seeing the difference, the improvements in your skin.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Puis je vais faire le tour et montrer.